Hello everybody, delightfully welcome you all in the session. As usual, we'll start with the question. Where there is a question, there is an answer, right? Here is our common query. If my goal is communication, do I need to study grammar? Many of us communicate well in our first language, I mean our mother tongue, even if we have never studied grammar. So the question is not really if you need to, but should you? At this point, we should probably define grammar. Some people think if grammar is a correct way to form sentences, but others have a more open definition. And if you are interested in communication, the goal is not to judge one another in terms of correctness, but to understand how people use a language. Language can be spoken or written. Eventually, grammar is how people put words and parts of words together. Wow, we have reached a right path to our topic, the sentence. Types of sentences. We have n number of definitions for sentence. According to me, a sentence is a group of words that are put together to mean something. It's a basic unit of a language which expresses a complete thought. Finally, a sentence is a grammatically complete idea. It has at least a subject and a main verb to state or declare a complete thought. As I said already, a short example for you. Walker walks. The subject is a part of a sentence or a clause which commonly indicates what it is about. We know what is subject, right? What is about, or who or what performs the action, while the predicate tells something about the subject. These are the definition for the subject and as well the predicate. Sentences are classified in two ways, according to use and according to form. Now, classification of sentences according to use. How do we classify the sentence according to the use? The sentences are termed as declarative, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. Why do we need a sentence? To express our thoughts and ideas, I told you already. So these are the four classification of sentences, depends upon the expression, depends upon the ideas and thoughts of us. What are declarative sentence? A declarative sentence is a sentence that forms a statement. These are statement and it usually ends with a period, which means full stop. For example, I went to the amusement park yesterday. This is a statement. Here I am giving a statement and I am completing a statement and I am ending a statement with a full stop. Next is imperative. An imperative sentence is a sentence that makes a command or a request. It sometimes ends with a period, sometimes with exclamatory mark. Here are the examples for you. Go to bed now. Go, close the door, Jimmy. First one, go to bed now, it's a command. Second is also a command. Go, close the door, Jimmy. Can you say one more example on request? May I come in? This is also a command. This is also a imperative. This two falls on the imperative statement, imperative sentences. Next is interrogative. An interrogative sentence is a sentence that forms a question. It ends in a question mark. This is an indicator for you to know whether this is an interrogative sentence or any other kind of a sentence. Question mark. Why is 2 wrong? Can you log me in your laptop? You read out the sentences. These sentences are queries, these sentences are questions, and as well it ends with a question mark. Next is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence attempts to show powerful feelings or emotions. It ends with an exclamation point, exclamatory mark. See, oh, there is a snake over there. I love you so much. So these are the exclamatory sentences which expresses the strong feelings and thought of us. Now let's take a pop quiz. You have an answer sheet, I hope, on which to record your answers. You may use these abbreviations. DEC for declarative, IMP for imperative, EX for exclamatory, INT for interrogative. Have you made a decision yet? The girl in the white jacket is lost. The Bulldogs won the game in the last 3 minutes. Give me a piece of pizza. I did not finish my homework. Where is my science book? Please come with me to the movies. I made a perfect score on this test. Why is John late for our date? Open your locker immediately. See, even by reading this sentence, you can express your ideas very clearly to vividly. So it shows very clearly what type or what kind of sentence it is. Now check your answers. If first sentence is, have you made a decision yet? What kind of sentence it is? Yes, absolutely, you are right. Interrogative. Second, the girl in the white jacket is lost. Wow, you are brilliant. Yes, it is declarative. DEC. Third one, the Bulldogs won the game in the last 3 minutes. What kind of sentence it is? Ends with exclamatory mark. Yes, exactly. Exclamatory. EX. Fourth one, give me a piece of pizza. What it is? Request or order? Request. Then which category it falls on? Yeah, absolutely. Imperative. Next, I did not finish my work. What it is? Ends with full stop. Wow, right. Declarative. Next, where is my science book? Asking question. Yeah, obviously. Interrogative. Good. You are brilliant. Please come with me to the movies. Please, I am requesting. What kind of sentence it would be? Excellent. Imperative. Next, I made a perfect score on this test. Ends with exclamatory mark. Wow, superb. Exclamatory. Next, why is John late for our date? Here it ends with question mark. Definitely this would be false on the category of interrogative sentence. Very good. Open your locker immediately. I am giving an order. Yes, stupendous. Imperative sentence. You score 0 to 1 mistakes, you are an excellent. 2 to 3 mistakes, you are good. 4 to 5 mistakes, you are fair. More than 5 mistakes, view the slideshow again. Do it again. By using the 4 types of sentences in your writing, you can make your paragraphs more interesting, dears. Now read the sample paragraph below. I hope you all would have read. Boring, right? Let's see how we can use the 4 types of sentences and make it more interesting to the reader. What is your favorite type of fast food? My favorite is pizza. I just love pepperoni and double cheese. Sometimes I think I could eat pizza morning, noon and night. All of this talk about pizza is making me hungry. Let's order a pizza now. Now this is more interesting, right? In this sample, we use the 4 different types of sentences. They provided emotion, excitement, zest to our paragraph. Now you try. On your worksheet, you will find a paragraph consisting of nothing but declarative sentences. Rewrite your paragraph so that you utilize the 4 types of sentences. Here is a review. Name the 4 types of sentences: imperative, interrogative, declarative and exclamatory. What is the difference between a sentence and a fragment? A sentence expresses a complete thought and a fragment does not. Thank you for watching.